I am on troll today. Like, yeah. Alright. Here comes Frank. This is supposed to be a short video, Frank. It's supposed to be a short. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Trouble. Trouble is the horse. And Frank is the cat. Yeah. Alright. Time to go up the driveway. Frank! A doodle. Just killed a bird. Yeah. He left it somewhere over here, I think. This is where we're going. So I already warmed him up off camera. Didn't know. So yeah, so we're gonna go a bit up the driveway. Alright. What is... Where's the bird at? Aw. It's over here. I don't think you'll want to see it though. Oh man. Why do cats have to kill birds? That's my question. Alright. Okay. I'm trying to hold this camera as still as I can. But that's pretty hard when you're trotting or like, cantering. Alright, we just turned around. Oh, okay. Scooped out a dog named Lola. Oh, gosh, I can't see, the sun's too bright. Oh, alright. Yeah, Lola. Alright, I'm back, sorry. Come on. Whoa! It's poking out that stick right there, huh? Lola's just running around. Right. Come on. Alright. So. I just fell off of him. Alright, anyways, yeah. So it's supposed to be short. But it's about in 3 minutes, so I'm gonna go. Bye bye. Have a great day or night, whatever it is.